Hello kids, today I will show you one science experiment. In this experiment, we will learn that some chemical reaction produces gas and gas occupies space. So let's start. What are the material requirements? We need a balloon, little water, plain normal water, an empty water bottle and a sachet of Eno. So let's begin. First, we will put little water in the bottle. Okay, now we will take this balloon and put this Eno inside the balloon. Take someone's help to put Eno inside the balloon. Okay. Now I will fix this balloon on the mouth of bottle like this way. Cover the mouth of the bottle completely. Eno is here. Eno has citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. When it mixes with water, a chemical reaction takes place. And in this chemical reaction, a gas is formed, that is carbon dioxide or CO2. Now the gas needs space to occupy. So it will blow up the balloon. Now I will invert the balloon and the Eno will fall from here in the water. Let's see. Now as the Eno mixed with the water, a chemical reaction started and a gas is produced, carbon dioxide. The gas needs space. So the gas is moving up into the balloon and the balloon has blown up like this way. It looks like a magic, but it's science. Understood, children? Bye.